Hey guys, Redstone Torch back here, and today we're going to play some mini games on the Hypixel server. The IP will be in the description, as usual. So, let's get in. Let's go over here. And let's see. Let's do party games. Right here. Here we are. Now, you guys have to wait a little bit. Oh, wow. Already started. Oh, I hate this game. Okay. Let's run around. Ugh. I always lose at the first start of this game. Sucks. Oh, whoa. No! Okay. Whoa. No! Ah, dang it. Sorry, that was not good for a first time. Man, those blocks are going fast. Well, congratulations, people. Okay. Ho. Okay, let's go. What? How is this? How is this not working? What? I always get confused on this game. I mean, I can't hoe. Come on. What's the dealio here? Come on. Is this like... everyone else can hoe but me. I'm a hoe, yeah. I'm a hoe, yeah. Come on. Everybody else is so lucky, but I'm not. Dang it. We got 2. Seriously? This sucks. Well. Okay, 1 second. Whatever. I'm sorry I sucked at the game. But, okay, Animal one. Awesome. Love this one. And I'm sorry about the lag. I've heard people say that a lot. Oh. Really sorry about the lag on my computer. I'll probably do a few more videos that aren't on this computer. There we go. Oh, tons of animals here. There we go. Here. Awesome. Get the cow. No. Get away from me. Okay, let's go. Come on, people. Lag. No, don't hit that. Okay. 1 point. Okay, well, we didn't win that one, but, Oh, I hate this game. This is just like luck or something. Okay, let's go. Oh, no. Oh, I stole my pig. Don't you hate it when people steal your pig? I hate it. Wait. Come here. Come here, buddy. Dang it. Steal your pig. I don't know. Okay, come on. Oh, gotta steal that one. Come on! This is so hard. Okay. Come on. Oh, wait. No. Dang it. Dang it. This is so hard. I haven't gotten one yet. Oh, sucks. I hate the lily pads. I gotta like aim it or something. Well, duh, Brandon, you gotta aim it. That's how you do it. Come on. Oh. Almost there. Dang it. What? Oh. Oh, that happens. No, wait. Come on. No. I'm back to steal your pig. Back to steal your pig. Oh, dang it. Okay, here we are. There we go. Let's go over here. There we go. That's that one. Nope. Yeah. Sorry, I'm not talking about this because you just have to stay focused. It's kind of hard to talk and do this at the same time. Okay. There. Let's go over here. Come on. Dang it. Okay. Got that one. Gotta get that boom, boom, boom. I don't know. Come on. Wait. And I am stuck in last place. Oh, I love this one. This is fun. It's not about winning, kids. It's about having fun. Let's go over here. Okay. But wait. Okay, good. What the F is right? Oh! Okay. Think we got it? Okay. Ah! Dang it. Almost got that. Hate when they get in your faces, though. Hate troll face. I don't know. Okay. Almost done. Haha, I am invincible. Whatever. Man, that snowball's gonna be so much lag. We can still play. Only we're invisible. I mean, invincible. Almost. Anyway. That guy gets diamonds, don't fair. Oh, punch a bat. These guys, the people who made this do hate animals. I mean, pigs, the bats. Okay, there we go. No. Dang you bats. Okay. Whoop. Oh, I totally forgot about sprint. Oh. There we go. That one. Okay. Well, at least. Oh, I hate this one. Let's go. This one's kind of hard. Oh, dang it. Come on. Back down. Whoa. Slow down. No. Ah. These logs. Hey, buddy. Hey, friend. Just gonna run into it anyway. Oh, here we go. Still trampoline. Oh, forgot it. Don't stay in F5. Nope. Okay. Oh. Come on. 3 coins, awesome. Awesome. We're not doing too bad in this game. Okay, awesome. Oh, turn around, turn around. Whoa! Awesome. Oh, that was a booster, okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, that was fun too. Okay. Well, there we go. That was Party Games. I hope if you enjoyed, leave a like and be sure to subscribe. Oh, I mean subscribe, not subscribe. Wow. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!